Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Zemplar's YouTube channel. The poster you are seeing on your screen is not the movie poster or any web series poster, but the poster of programming language course, and obviously it's Python. My name is Abhishek Bor, and for next few episodes, I will be your instructor. Yes, you heard it right. Next few episodes, because this course will be more akin to any programming, any web series or movie, and this course is not going to be ordinary course where instructor will be teaching for hours and students will be listening to him for hours unwillingly. But it is more than that, and you will definitely notice it. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, please note that this course is made taking in consideration that we are in 2026 and a lot of tools are available with us, and therefore we have used them effectively in this course making. What this course offers you, the course is designed in a very detailed manner, and the language of instruction is very simple. It's simple English. Any child can understand it easily, and obviously, it is made for all age groups. Lifetime foundation for tech growth. Obviously, Python is going to be and is being used in a lot of domains. And if you know Python well, you're definitely going to nail in industry. Develop problem solving and programmer way of thinking. This course will make you a good programmer because the programming is all about the way we are thinking, the asking right question. And in this course, I will teach you how to ask right questions at right time. You don't need to look anywhere for learning Python after this course. It is my guarantee, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, that you don't have to look anywhere to learn Python after completion of this course. So then the question arises, who is eligible for this course? The person who lives on Earth, it means aliens are not allowed in this course. Uh, Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's correct that this course is only made for the people who live on Earth and sorry for aliens. Who knows simple English, as I said, and who knows basic maths. It means the children who knows basic maths can also attend this course. So the question arises, what is Python? Whenever the word Python comes, we get the image of creature who squeezes the prey and squeeze it until it dies of suffocation. That is Python snake. But this is Python language. So the definition of Python language is Python is high level, interpreted, general purpose programming language designed to be simple, readable, and versatile, enabling developers to build everything from basic scripts and automation tools to complex web applications, data science systems, artificial intelligence models, and enterprise software efficiently. So, what this word high level means? The word high level means it is easy for human beings to understand. There are three levels of languages: high level language, mid level language, and the low level or the machine language. If I want to print hello world and if I if I print like 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 0, it is difficult for human being to understand, right? But the machines are given instruction in this language and they are not understandable for human beings. And therefore, we need high level language where we can put instructions to the machine, where our goal is to give instruction in the simple language and then they will be interpreted into machine languages. Interpreted. What is the meaning of interpretation? There are two types of language processors like compilers and interpreters. C, C++ are compiled languages, whereas Python, Scala are interpreted languages. It means the code is interpreted line by line. Then general purpose programming language. There are multiple purpose languages. For example, erstwhile in 70s, 80s, there was language called as Fortran. That is abbreviation for formula translation. And that was language specifically made for scientific calculations and computations. And that was their purpose. That was its purpose. In today's era, we have SQL, that is database language. Its purpose is querying into databases. But Python is general purpose language. It is therefore used in many domains and it is designed to be simple, readable, and versatile. Other things we will see further. History of Python. Python was created by Guido van Rossum in 1989, 1991. Why is it important to understand Python in the course? It should be purely technical, but my take on this particular thing is that if you know the background of any particular language, you will connect that. You will connect yourself with that language, and therefore it is important. Python was developed by Gordon van Rossum in at Centrum Wiskunde and Informatica (CWI) in Netherlands as a successor to ABC language. Many people might think that this language, uh, the name of this language, might have taken from the snake Python, but they are wrong because it is taken from the comedy show of Monty Python. And as you can see, this gentleman on side of the screen is Godo Van Rossum, and on this side there is these are the characters, these are the actors who played the character in the Monty Python's comedy show, and this is photo from 2014's reunion. So now let's move towards design philosophy of Python. The design philosophy has been taken from the Zen of Python book. And the first is explicit is better than implicit. Python always values or give regard to the explicit expressions rather than implicit. They think the developers or the creators thought that there should not be foretaken things. Everything we must express explicitly. Then simple is better than complex. The simple is always better than complex. You must be agreeing it. And therefore, the Python is very simple. The syntax and semantics of Python is very simple. It's almost like the uh, English language or the natural language. Readability counts. Special cases aren't special enough to break the rules. However, this particular design philosophy is proved to be wrong by many Python experts that we will see further. Although practicality beats purity, errors should never pass silently unless explicitly silenced. This is very strong feature or the philosophy of Python because a lot of time we encounter errors and we think that these errors are very simple and this should not pop up all the time. But Python values that whatever errors are there in the code should be explicitly expressed because when you design complex systems, they can trouble you a lot. There should be one and preferably one obvious way to do it. But this design philosophy also proved to be wrong because in Python itself there are multiple ways of doing things. Applications of Python, as I've discussed, the Python is the language that is going to be or that is being used in multiple domains: web development, data science and analytics, artificial intelligence and machine learning, automation and scripting, scientific and numeric computing, cybersecurity, game development, desktop GUI applications, mobile application development, cloud computing and DevOps, Internet of Things, blockchain development, robotics, finance and fintech, education and teaching, testing and quality assurance, networking, image and video processing, natural language processing, enterprise software development. So this was about Python, my dear friends. This was only introductory lecture. Further, we will go much deeper into Python concepts. So that's it for today. Signing off.